Hello guys, and I don't always get my trouser right. My cutting is always off. Please, can you show us how you did yours? Okay, getting in here, this tutorial is for you. Okay, in cutting a trouser, the first thing you should do is getting your measurements, your accurate measurements, your hip, your waist, your thigh, your waist to nail, your round nail, your ankle. These are the most important measurement to get when cutting your pants. So now, how do we fold our fabric? Our fabric should be unfolded by using your thigh measurements. If your thigh is 20 inches, you divide your 20 inches by 2, which is 10, to get your thigh. That's how you fold your fabric. Unfold. Okay. For the purpose of this tutorial, this is not for somebody. I'm using it as regards to this tutorial. So this is nobody's measurement. So let me take for instance the thigh of this person. What we have here is 7.5. Let me take for instance the thigh of this person is 15, and when 15 is divided by 2, we have 7.5, which is here. And the hip of this individual is 16, and what we have here is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. That's 16 divided by 4. We have, this is where your hip is sitting. We have 4 inches. This one is our waist to nail. Whatever you have, you take it down here. And this is our full length. You get it right now, yes. Okay, now taking the measurement down. So we have here 7.5, which is our thigh measurement. From here now, we're gonna get our hip and take it all the way up. So our hip is 16. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So we're gonna bring that 4 here, adding half-inch sewing allowance. Sometimes I add 1. Okay, let me take for instance, I'm adding 1 to this, and we have our 5 here. You can use your actual measurements and add your extra allowances at the back, but sometimes I don't do it that way because people complain of their trouser not being straight on the straight line by the corner, shifting in front. So to be on the safe side, add 1 inch while cutting this. Let me say your hip is for 16 divided by 4. We have 16. So that's 16 divided by 4, we have 4. That 4 you add 1 inch. 1 inch allowance, which is 5 I have here. You take the 5 all the way up, so you connect. This is where you're going to take your curve. So for the learning purpose, normally I usually go up by 2.5 inches, but for this learning we are going up with 1.5 inch. So for this learning, I go ahead and have gone ahead to mark 1.5 inch. So this is where we are giving it a curve. Hope you understood, yes. So now we will get our waist measurement. Let me take for instance our waist is 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Then we add extra 1, which is 4. We take it here. So we're gonna connect it. We are removing half inch from the waist, from the hip line. If you are doing it normally, you remove half inch from here and connect to the waist. So here we are taking out, if it is normal trouser that we are cutting, for children I usually remove 1 inch from here, and for adults 1.5 highest. Some adults I do 1 inch also. So for this cutting, we are removing 1 inch. So this 1 inch will meet this one. Hope you are getting it right. Yes. So now this is where we'll take our round nail measurement. Let me take for instance my round nail measurement is 16. Okay, let me just take it that way. Let me take for instance my round nail measurement is 16. 16 divided by 4, we have 4 inches. So I'll be adding 1 inch for allowance sewing. So our thigh, let's say for instance our ankle, our ankle, which is the length. I don't know where the length will be. It depends on you, but the length, the round, where the trouser will sit. Is it a short? Is it a trouser? So you take the round there. So whatever you get, you put it in here. So let's take for instance we are putting 4 here. So this is now we connect from here to here. Our trouser is ready. So we now cut out. Our pants, our trouser. I hope you all understood what I just did. Yes, I believe so. So this front piece, we are using this front piece to cut the back pattern. How do you do it? You fold, see your fabric unfold, and place this back, and place this one there. So hope you grab what I just explained now. Yes, thank you so much for watching.